a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious.
I wish you all the best in your acts, in your life. I know that you will succeed in everything you do. And, I love you so much. I miss you.
Ano, we already, ngayon na tayo nagkakilala. Pero, I'm really glad that we met. And I hope you enjoy your special day.
Happy birthday, Adeline. Your debut is the start of something extraordinary. This is a part where you need to start to figure things out. It might be scary at first, but somehow you will feel the excitement on what lies beyond. You will appreciate the beauty of uncertainty, be curious. That is where you will learn a skill or two. Don't be scared to try. There is nothing more scary than the possible opportunity you will lose just because you are coward enough to try. The world will not wait for you. It will not stop revolving just because you're tired. But it was okay to take your time, to take your own pace. But don't settle when you feel the comfort, because there is no growth in that. You will no longer grow, instead chase what scares you, because that's where great things start to happen. Don't focus on perfections. What's important is progress. It's okay to start something and be bad at it. But keep trying. Sooner or later, you think that is hard for you. Before will be just a piece of cake. I know that you will do just fine in the world of adulthood. All I can say now is, I wish you all the great things in the world.
Good evening, happy birthday, Adeline. Simple lang naman message ko, is that I hope mas maayos ang magiging future mo as we are and as friends na rin.
So, natatandaan ko pa ito, kung akit ka. May mga tangkay, yung medyo aki-aki. Itutukdaan ko kang mat, di ba? Sa nakanood ka man, madala mo sa, may MW mo. Tapos pag-taban mo lang yung wifi, ay may klase. Magdungan ka na lang, magdala mo na lang pa-search ako. Duman sa Bunyosang.
Happy birthday, Ate Dilan. You.
And Ate Adeline, araw kang pagkakantik sa imo. Happiness is a choice. So always choose to be happy. Kahit gaano kasakit kang gaano kasakit kang buhay. So again, happy birthday, Ate Adeline.
Ini, totoo lang maging practical ka bago lang sa mga grades mo. Sa buhay, dapat maging practical ka. Bago lang yan sa kaipuan, pati sa luwas ka ng eskwelahan, i-apply mo siya.
See you, Lai. Happy 18th birthday. Please, don't be like us. We want you to be better than us. Smarter, stronger, braver, older, and most of all, kinder. Your attitude is the most important thing to define your personality.
we're raising upgrades, not copies. Okay, line. Once again, good evening, happy birthday.
Si Delaine sa Rosa Saruyang Flower Girl. Ngunyan na 2025, 18 years old na siya. Ang ibig sabihin medyo kurang na pala ito ni Missy. Madali yun lang ang panahon. Happy 18th birthday. Si Delaine, ang pagkakabisog si Delaine ay isang warrior si Delaine. Mayroon siyang determination, very strong siya, and I always pray and hope na maging consistent ka dyan, maging consistent ka sa imong dreams, sa imong paglaban, pagiging warrior. Happy 18th birthday, good luck. Yan lang.
Dagdagan ko lang sa akin ni Mayora Globe.
May follow-up.
Tama ito na ang talino dahil mo nang pagpiling sa iskilahan. Daraw mo sa buhay. Kasi ito ang mas importante. Kanya ang dahan, tunay na laban. Tapos, mga gaya sa sinabi nila, alas kompleto na. Pero dapat ma-apply mo si talino. Sabi ni Tito Mo Jason, you are a warrior and you are a fighter. Pero, bako lang sa eskwelahan, sa buhay mo. Tama ka ito.
Kung matod ka na, para kung nagkaparaan sa iba, kung hanggang kaya mong gibuhon para sa sarili, gibuhon mo. Kung dyan ka matibay, dyan ka matatag, pag-practice mo yan.
Long time to be over there. Happy birthday.